Hey, collage crew! Welcome to Editing Tips on PicCollage. Today we're showing you how to glow up your text using background shapes like this. Alright, let's start with this collage that I made in PicCollage. Now to add text to your collage, you can either tap on anywhere on the canvas. Just avoid tapping directly on stickers or photos. Then tap on the text button. Or another way is to use the toolbar at the bottom of your screen, where you'll also find the text button. Let's tap on it. Now let's type summer and place it over here. Now tap on the check mark. So to add a background to your text, simply tap on the text. Tap on the pencil icon and tap on edit. Or a quicker way is to just double tap on the text. Then tap on the text background tool, which is an icon with a white letter A. Now you'll see a bunch of background shapes to choose from. There's a rectangle one, there's a brushstroke one, there's a pill-shaped one, there's a torn paper scrap one, and the bubble-shaped one. But for this one, let's go with the pill-shaped one. Now let's change the color of the text background so the text pops more. There's so many options. There's glitter, there's denim, and there is this paper texture. But for this one, let's go with a solid yellow. Now if you tap on the yellow again, you can adjust the hue, the saturation, the brightness, and opacity. This opacity looks good. So now hit done, and then tap on the check mark. Now let's add another line of text. With my best friend. See how it automatically applied the same text background from before? To remove it, go to the text background again and tap on this cancel icon. And now the background is gone. So for this new text, let's use the torn paper scrap shape. But instead of a solid color, let's go with a realistic paper texture. Now the bubbly font doesn't match this background anymore, so let's change it. Tap the T icon to switch fonts. Let's see. I think this printed classic style font works better. Now let's move this around. Let's put it here. Now if you want to break the text into two lines, like with my on the first line and best friend on the second, you can pull this teal colored tab on the left to adjust the box width. That looks good. Now wondering about the height? If the text is hugging the top and bottom edges of the background too tightly, here's a quick trick. Go into the typing area and hit return on your keyboard to add a blank line above and below your text. And that will expand the height. Now hit the check mark. Now I want to change the color of summer to white. So double tap summer to edit. Then tap on the icon with the black letter A, which is the text color icon, and pick a new text color, which is white. Then tap on the check mark. To finish things up, let's move things around a little bit more. And this looks good to go. In the end, tap done and save it to your phone. Now you can share it with friends, post it on social media, or even print it out. Got something else you want to learn on PicCollage? Drop a comment. We'd love to help.